Okay, we just log into our webmail, and our webmail URL, so where we put in the address bar is this address here, and that will open up this page. You enter in your password and the email account, and we'll use Mark at Hakuba just for our test, and we log in. These are 3 email clients that I can read the mail with, so like Outlook, this one's called Horde, Roundcube and Squirrel Mail. The most popular one is Roundcube. This is really just to read it online. If you're ever away from your computer or your phone, you can read it online. It also has these different settings for the various different types of email clients that you might have. Then there's the manual settings, which these are the best ones to use. So you would type this into your phone or your computer, and away you would go. If you're using a phone, you would use the IMAP port. If you're using a computer, you would use the POP3 port, and they have information as to what they are. So if we were to go and check the mail, it opens up and it says it's got its first email, and its first email just says the settings that you can use to put into your phone and computer. And that's basically all there is to this. You can compose emails, do whatever you like a normal email client would do. This just does it online. Over here you have your settings, and this one here, this one lets you change the email, set all of these settings, which you don't really do. If you are going away, you can put in an auto responder so that it'll say, look, I'm away at the moment, blah blah blah, contact me later. You can put in a forwarder, so if you had 100 email addresses and you wanted this one to forward to one of the others, you can put the forwarder in here. You can manage your disk space and all that sort of thing. The most important one at the moment when you first log in is the password and security, and you just click on that and it says, okay, what's your new password? And you put whatever you want, and then you confirm that new password and you save it. And then that way you can generate it if you want to, but you can put your own in up here. And then that way when you log in next time, of course, you use your new password, which is one that you might easily remember. If you don't want to change the password, that's okay too. It doesn't really matter. At the end of reading your mail, you can again go back to the Roundcube if you want. That's what it looks like. We can change and go to Horde, which is just an email client again. It just looks a little bit different, different colours, and just whatever you prefer really. And the last one of the 3 is Squirrel. Again, these are just to read emails, compose emails, basically when you're online. But mostly people use Roundcube. They just find this a bit better. Anyway, that's all you have to do with the email settings. At the end, you just log out and that's it. You're finished. On the website, this is the website, the current one. Whatever you want me to do, you just let me know. So, if you still want the different languages to be done, that's fine. Color scheme, whatever you want me to do. Anything that you see on the one now, like contact details and all that, needs to be checked. Facebook, Twitter, all of these sort of things. Phone numbers just need to be told what are the new ones. If you want the menu, we can put the menu online like it is now, but we would change it around, update a little bit. You've got 7 guests and no members. So there's 7 people viewing the website at the moment. None of those are logged in, so they're not actual members of the site. If you need the allocation, these are pretty important things if you're not going to actually take orders online so that people can actually get to you. So and then you still have the contact us form. It can run an order online system, so it can order the pizza online and email to you what the order is, but this function has been turned off on this site at the moment. So I mean, you can easily add that back if you wanted to. We just need to know to start to get the new one updated, phone numbers, whether you want it in the multiple languages, just what menu items you want. So these things here, what you want us to put in here, like any new images, pictures of the pizzas, whatever it is, we just need to know that, and then I can rebuild the site and get it all nice and new and all that sort of thing. So yeah, none of these should work. Yeah, so of course the ordering system's not turned on, so that's why people can't order. If it was turned on, then people would be able to order and you would get the email for that. So that's basically how it works. That's your webmail. That's pretty simple. And with the website itself, just send me through the information. Just go through your current website. Like, just go through and have a look. You might say, look, I don't like the red and green. That was the old colours, so that's why we went red and green. We don't want that. We want some different images. These are just images that will scroll through. We've got some new ones. So whatever it is that you have that you want included, just send her over to me on the email, and I'll get stuck into it and get it all updated and nice and new. That's all there is. Thanks very much. Bye.